The best thing about planning a trip to Belum is that it's clearly off the beaten track. This means that the avid special interest tourists, explorers, researchers and trekkers get to go somewhere where very few people have gone before. For a rainforest that has remained intact for the last 130 million years, there is a strong call for conservation of the biodiversity amidst the need for sustainable tourism. Therefore, the prime directive is to develop Pulau Banding into a premier heritage destination on the world ecotourism map. Tanjung Satu, a purpose-built replica Orang Asli village, where guests of Belum Rainforest Resort can experience the Orang Asli lifestyle and participate in indigenous rituals such as sewang, and they can even sleep and dine the Orang Asli way here at Tanjung Satu.